Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Uh, have you ever wondered what happens when creative roadblocks force a show to completely reimagine a key character? And this is, in terms of key reviews about like the ability to see the character, the hit Netflix series, The Lincoln Lawyer, faced just such a challenge. The adapting Michael Connelly's books, the show ran into an issue. A beloved character, Harry Bosch, was already claimed by another network. Uh, Prime Video had the rights, creating a frustrating situation for fans of both series. Uh, Despite a strong relationship in the books, Mickey Haller and Bosch couldn't cross paths on screen, really. But the writers didn't give up. So, and some of those season 4 introduced a new element. Emmy Finch, Mickey's half sister. This wasn't just a new character, it was a clever solution. But Emmy is stepping into the role Bosch would have played. She's becoming a crucial part of Mickey's life and the unfolding storylines, especially as the series adapts a book with a significant Bosch connection. And Netflix has now announced a spin-off series centered entirely around Emmy. This is more than just expanding the universe. It's creating a new franchise. Kobe Smulders, who plays Emmy, will have a much larger role in season 5 of The Lincoln Lawyer, giving viewers a chance to really connect with the character before her own series begins. The writers are intentionally building Emmy's story, establishing her relationship with Mickey, and setting the stage for a compelling spin-off. And it's a smart move, giving fans a fresh perspective while still honoring the spirit of Connolly's work. It's like they're saying, we can't have Bosch, so we'll build our own version. And speaking of legal dramas, what do you call a lawyer who only defends vegetables? A barrister. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,